Hi everyone, welcome back to a new one. WhatsApp has many new updates, and in case there are many features where you can easily add it, where you can easily reshare other contacts status on your WhatsApp. It's very simple, but in some cases there's a problem. Status reshare option is not showing. How you can fix it? For example, here you can see status reshare option is not showing. How I can fix? How you can fix this one? First of all, I request just do subscribe and hit the bell icon for learning more WhatsApp tips, tricks, and WhatsApp new hacks. You need to open your WhatsApp, then you need to click on updates icon, then go on, and then you need to go on top, then click just on three dots. Once you click there, then you need to choose status privacy, and here you need to just enable this feature, allow sharing. Let people who can see your status reshare and forward it. Once you just enabled it, then easily the status reshare option not showing problem will be fixed in seconds. And I hope so the short video is very helpful for you. So please do subscribe, hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.